Before you watch this body cam footage, meet Christopher Ah, a city councilman sworn to uphold the law. But in this body cam video, he's driving on a suspended license for unpaid tickets and acting like the rules don't apply to him. Watch how he talks, watch how he carries himself, watch the entitlement. And after you check out this body cam footage, you're gonna see city councilman Christopher Ah completely lose his mind and smack someone. We have the actual footage from the person, and we also have footage from a building nearby. And you're gonna also see Councilman City all walk away after smacking the man, but we're not gonna let him walk away from accountability. Let's get right to it.
Alright, sir, so apparently you got a parking ticket sometime, because it came back still suspended for parking offenses. I don't know if you got one in the oranges, anything like that, but that's why your license is suspended, okay? So I got to issue that. Just so you know, you can't drive, but I can't be hanging around waiting for a licensed driver all night, alright? I got other things to do, okay? Alright, so here's your stuff back. All my information's on it, court date's on it, all the court information, and you can give them a call, alright?
But if it's an error, right? Like
It's not an error, no, so I confirmed it.
On the DMV side. So
If it's
it's a parking ticket that was already taken care of or something, an accident.
They'll give you a piece of paper explaining that it was an error, then you just show the court, and then everything's good to go. Yep, absolutely. Yeah, maybe you didn't even know you got a parking ticket. Maybe you might have blown off the car and then it went nowhere, you know? There's always that option of that, alright? So here's your stuff back, alright? Have a good night.
And now watch what happens when the same councilman encounters one of the people with the camera in a public park. This isn't reenactment, and it isn't a hit piece. We have the actual footage. It's documented misconduct by a sitting public official caught on camera and backed by an official investigation. On September 19, 2024, while the man was lawfully recording in a public park, an elected official decided the Constitution did not apply to him. That official was Christopher Ah. And just pay attention to the way he sounds. He sounds like a straight up thug and a gangster. And this right here, folks, is why government accountability matters.
Who are you?
Who the fuck are you?
I'm calling the police. You want to assault me?
Take the camera off of me.
I do. I'm in a
The location was at Veterans Park in Newark, New Jersey, a public park, a public space where the public has every right to record. While filming, the individual was approached by Councilman Ah, not with questions, not with dialogue, but with profanity. Then came the escalation. Councilman Ah forcibly slapped the recording out of the man's hand, an act that meets the legal definition of assault and battery. This wasn't speculation. This wasn't disputed. And when the police officers later questioned him, Councilman Ah admitted to smacking the phone out of his hand. Let that sink in, folks. A sitting councilman admitted to physically interfering with the people's right to exercise a protected First Amendment activity. Following the investigation by the Essex County Sheriff's Office, Councilman Ah was issued a criminal summons for harassment, improper touching, and threatening under New Jersey Statute NJSA 2C33-4B. There's even a case number attached to it. And after the incident, he didn't stay to explain himself. He didn't wait for the police. He left the scene. This is the behavior we're told to excuse. This is the behavior we're told to ignore. This is the type of behavior we're told is no big deal. But just imagine if the roles were reversed. Public office is not a shield. A title is not immunity. And authority does not erase accountability. This channel exists for one reason: to expose misconduct, to document truth, and to apply lawful, public, and relentless pressure. Because bad public servants don't reform in silence. They reform when the public is watching. You guys, please share this video, talk about it, make some phone calls if you gotta, redress your grievances, ask why someone trusted with power chose intimidation instead of restraint. And remember this: government works best when the people remind officials who they work for, not the other way around. I'll be dropping the original channel link in the description and in the pinned comment so you guys can go subscribe and show some support. Thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video.